This is a demonstration how to install the Razor Delta leg onto the landing leg. You want to make sure your torque arm is installed first before putting on the unit. Then you want to grab the unit. You want to slide the unit onto the torque arm and output shaft just to see if it's running smooth. So you can push it in smoothly. If you can't, you need to adjust the torque arm accordingly. Next, you just want to line up the holes on the shaft and on the motor and grab the 3/8 pin punch and just put it through the hole and then test to see if the end cap is going to touch the torque arm in low and high gear. So high gear, low gear, so it's not touching. If it is touching, you'll need to use the other hole on the motor. Fix that. Then we'll take it off. Then we'll need to put the collar on first into the shaft. Then we'll grab the motor again. Just slide it on. Lining up the hole on the upward shaft of the leg and the motor. Then getting the roll pin and facing the line upwards, like so. Then grabbing a hammer, and just tapping it in. A bit more. Right. So now that it's in, the unit is locked on to the landing leg and the collar is sticking out on both sides, here. Then with the black collar we can put it into the 4 slots and keep the roll pin safe. Now we can plug the unit in to the battery to give it power.